Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in insurance with Aetna, full guide step by step clearly. Start by researching the various insurance products offered by Aetna. Visit Aetna's official website to explore their offerings. Familiarize yourself with types of insurance available, such as health, dental, and life insurance. Evaluate your personal insurance needs based on your lifestyle and financial goals. Determine your budget for insurance investments. Contact Aetna's customer service for detailed information about specific policies. Request quotes for different types of insurance to compare costs. Review policy benefits, coverage limits, and exclusions carefully. Consider consulting with a licensed insurance agent for personalized advice. Analyze the financial stability and ratings of Aetna as an insurance provider. Take the time to read customer reviews and testimonials to gauge satisfaction. Once you have selected a policy, fill out the application form accurately. Prepare any necessary documentation, such as identification and medical history. Submit your application through Aetna's online portal or via a local agent. Await the underwriting process, which determines your eligibility based on risk factors. After approval, review the policy documents thoroughly before finalizing. Set reminders for premium payments to maintain your coverage without interruption. Keep your policy details accessible and review them periodically for necessary updates. Stay informed about new products or policy changes that may benefit you in the future. Continue learning about insurance investing to make informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.